And reason number 5, and I think this is really important and surprising, right, is you don't know your why. This can be a missing puzzle piece for so many people. Before you even start your fasting journey, it's crucial to pinpoint what are your deepest motivations. Sure, shedding a few pounds, some weight loss is definitely on your radar for a lot of people, right? That's why they come to intermittent fasting. But what about the bigger picture? What's going to keep you going when it gets hard, when the scale's not moving? What are other goals that are going to impact your life, your health, your relationships? Take some time and dig deep and unearth this driving force. How will you feel when you're at your goal weight? What will you be able to do that you can't do now because of added weight? Maybe more mobility, maybe more stamina. How will it feel to fit comfortable in that airplane seat when you're traveling? How do you want to age? Have you thought about that? Intermittent fasting has so many great anti-aging benefits. Are you tired of feeling uncomfortable in your own skin? That was one of mine. Would you like a healthier relationship with food? That was another big one for me. What will it mean to your family? What will you be able to participate in? Maybe that you can't now. Getting on the floor, playing with the kids, the grandkids.